Today, we're going to explore physical properties of a couple different items. So let's take a couple items and make sure you close your eyes. I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to feel the first object. So my eyes are closed and I can feel this sort of round shape. It's a bit hard to the touch, but it also feels like if I press it hard, it maybe break. It feels waxy and it feels a bit smooth. It must be an apple. Ah, yes, it is an apple. Let's look at another object. Close your eyes and pick up the next object. It feels a bit similar, but the shape is different. The shape is not normal. It's not round and it's not square. It has different endings on it. It feels smooth and it also feels hard. I would think this is ginger. Ah, yes, it is ginger. You can see from the brown color. Let's try another object. Close your eyes. Ah, what are these? These feel hard. These do not feel like something I can eat. They are smooth and they are a different shape. I think these are rocks. They are rocks. One is blue and one is yellow. Let's keep going. Let's find a new object. Close your eyes. These are also hard, and you can hold them in your hand. They're smooth, and I can tell the shape is a cylinder. These must be pencils. Ah, of course, they are pencils. We have one more item. Close your eyes. What is this? It's cold, like it's been in the refrigerator. It's smooth and it feels a bit soft, like I might be able to squeeze it. I'm gonna guess maybe a grape or a radish. Oh, look at that, it's a radish. You can tell from the red color. Okay, good job today, guys. See you next time. Goodbye.